In this section, we're going to be talking mainly about tetration. What do you think about this number? Have you ever seen it? Somebody is saying no. Yeah, it's not a problem if you've never seen this number. But let's talk about it, how it look like. Tetration, okay, that is 3 to the gist. Let's take a brief example. You have like 3, that is 10. What would be the answer? That is 10 to the power 10, or that to the power 10, that would turn to a billion number. And you can just simplify it like this. Oh yeah, you understand what's happening. Let's take the background knowledge about everything about numbers, starting from the first point. We start with addition, that is a plus b. Usually, that is how it look like. What if b is to infinity, or b is plus 1, 1, 1, 1? That will be a plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and so on. Yeah. Moving to the second one, that is multiplication, mainly a times b. In this case, what if b is like that? 1, 1, 1, you have b is repetitive times b. If b is repeating, b times b, all to infinity. In this case, if b was still repeating, you are going to having a plus b, all that round. Okay. Moving on to exponent. Exponent just like this, and what it simplifies, 3 times 3 times 3. Easy. What about we put in x and cube it? That is x cubed. This is equal to what? X times x. Okay, just write it somehow. X cubed is equal to what? X times x times x. Yeah, that is just easy as that. Now moving to tetration, we have this like that. If you have 2, or that 3, okay, or we have just take it as 3, tetration of that. What is going to be the answer? That will be equal to what? 2 to the power 2 to the power 2, and that is equal to what? 16. Simplifying this, some guy will make an error. That will be 2 square is equals to 4, and putting then the square, that will be 16. That erase everything. Okay, what about 3 about x? What will be the answer? The answer will not be x to the power 3 to the power 3. No, that is not what is going to happen. What's going to be here is what? You just have to put this x. There is first, second, and third. Since it's a 3, you have 1, 2, and 3. And that will be an infinite number that I don't know how you can solve it. You can just substitute it back, something back like 1, and you can have an answer. Okay, what if you have 10? You have 4 here. That would be what? 10, 10, 10, 10. That would be 10 to the power 10. You have your answer. Then to the power, this answer to the power 10. Then you have your answer. This answer to the power 10 again. That is like a billion number that is even more than Elon Musk's salary, or a number that nobody even know about. Yeah, I think you understand the logic hidden behind tetration. Yeah, you understand it. And if you understand, just drop in the comment. Now your own question of today is to solve this one. That is 3, 3. What will be the answer to this one? Drop your answer in the comment, and if you have the right answer, I'll just add it. I'll put a big heart on it. Okay, let's move to our scenario of today, solving this question. Here we ask you to solve this one. How can you solve this one? I'll drop it in the next video. Solving for x. And if you can solve it, just solve and drop in the comment. Goodbye.